Hey, fabulous fourth graders, Mrs. Elkin here. I'm going to tell you a little bit about social studies and what we'll be doing for social studies for the rest of our year. We'll be doing lots of fun stuff, but for the most part, we'll have social studies work on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now, our schedule is a little flexible, guys. If you're like, I really want to do my social studies work on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and we've already put it out there, you guys decide. But it's about 3 days a week that we do some social studies work. Let me show you a little bit of what I'm talking about. Okay, so here's a classroom. You each have your own classroom, of course. So go to your fourth grade Google Classroom. Like always, you'll go to your classwork. You'll even notice on the side now we have RL for remote learning. So if it's social studies this week, go to social studies. There you go. On Wednesdays, every Wednesday, guys, for social studies, we're going to have a fourth grade Harmony Buddies question. And all the fourth graders can make videos and watch each other's videos, and there'll be some teacher videos to help us stay connected. Part of social studies is staying connected with each other. So we'll keep our social connections on Wednesday. Again, if Wednesday's not the best day for you to get on the Flipgrid, the teachers will be giving you it earlier in the week, and you can do it anytime during the week. But that's what's assigned for Wednesdays. Now, there's 2 other days, Monday and Fridays, or again, any 2 other days you want to work on it, that we'll be working on social studies. And for those 2 days, we'll be working in social studies weekly. I know that some classrooms actually already have their own sign-ins and have been working on social studies weekly. I know some kids at least got to look at it last week, but now all fourth graders are going to log into social studies weekly and do whatever the week's assignment is. For example, this week you'll notice it is social studies weekly number 26, the compromise of 1850. So you will come down and you'll click on Social Studies Weekly. Again, if you already know your username and password, that's great. If not, look in Google Classroom. Your teacher will have it in there in the Social Studies section. I know from my class, it's their first time for many of my students logging in, and a username will be your first name, 506. For example, my first name, 506, I'm actually gonna use Elkin, even though it's not my first name. Elkin, 506. Password, again, for the Eagles is the first 3 numbers of your student ID. First 3 numbers of your student ID. I believe it's the same sign-in you have for RAS. Okay, so did you hear my texting? I know I need to turn off my texting when I'm making these videos. Okay, then you see the beautiful green login button. Click on that. And it will take you to fourth grade social studies. You need to click on this. I find you need to click on it a couple times. Like I clicked it once, I have to click it again. And then you'll see this. Now, if we were starting at the beginning of the year, we'd start at week 1. And again, I know some classes have done some of this work. Though, all fourth graders starting this week will go to week 26, right down here. I don't know why, but they all say continue reading. Even if you've never been on it before reading, it says continue reading. So you click on that. I did want to show you, notice how this says take a test and these don't. That sometimes when you go for the week, there will be a take the test there. And if there is, that means that there's a test. I don't like to use the word test, even though they do, because it's not like a big, fancy, big test. We'll always let you know. It's more just a quick check. How are they doing? Are they able to find the answers? Did they do their social studies reading? That kind of thing. So if you see the test on there, definitely try to take it. This week, gosh, we only have Friday. We don't even have Monday to work on social studies weekly. So this week, just for fun, try the test, but no worries. Other weeks, there might be no worries too. Just look in classroom and read whatever message the teachers have left for you. Okay, so here we are, week 26. We're going to click on continue reading. And then wait, oh, there we go. Now this is all the compromise of 1850. However, like look up here, week 26, compromise of 1850. There's articles, there's videos. I'll be honest, there's a lot in here to read. That's why we said 2 days a week of social studies. You might not even get to read all of it or watch all the videos. That's really okay, as long as you're spending the time, at least 30 minutes, twice a week, reading and learning, right? So give that a try. You can skip around if you're like, well, I'm not ready to read about Biddy Mason yet, but I'm going to, very interesting. But maybe I want to read first about the compromise of 1850. So you can click around and move around in here. You'll see there's videos that you can watch. Pretty cool, right? Henry Clay. bonus sources that you can always check out. See, there's Mrs. Elkins signed in. I don't even know. Some of you guys probably know about these coins and these other little things. Kind of looks so fun. You guys can check that out as well. Oh, yeah, look, and there's even games you can play. Now, of course, do you think the game should count as your 30 minutes of reading each day? Probably not. When you're done reading and reading videos and reading articles, you can have some fun playing here. Take the test again, just for fun this week. Take the test. There you go. So, like, for example, this one, it's sort the events in the life of Biddy Mason in chronological order. So you get to like move things around. Oh yeah, look at that. You can move things around. So it's fun. It's not just typing in a boring answer. Right? And oh, and then on this one, you get to label parts of the map. Yeah, try it out for fun. See what you learn. Oh, check it out. You can drag things. Nice. Oh, multiple choice. Another cool map. Okay, finish test. You missed a question. That's okay. That's okay if Mrs. Elkin missed a question. I'm still going to submit it. Nice. Yeah, I only got 0 out of 6. The cool thing is actually when you do the test, you get the results right away. So you know how you did. Mrs. Elkin, you need to spend more time reading carefully. Okay, guys, so that's how you get to your social studies weekly. Each week, 2 days a week, you should be reading and exploring for at least 30 minutes, and then you can play the games, try out the test. And another day a week, probably Wednesday or any day that week, you should be doing your Harmony Buddies, social connection. There's social studies, guys. Again, as always, email me or your teacher if you have any questions at all, and we will help you. Okay, guys. Bye, 4th graders. Keep reading, keep learning, keep having fun.